First, welcome back to Hi-Fi Tech and Entertainment channel. In today's video, I will show you how to test the CAP service and its destination and also how to deploy this application in our SAP Build Apps. So first thing already, if you see here already, I created a application in the Risk Management Studio Productivity Tools. Productivity tools is nothing but I choose the DevSpace as a productivity tool, full stack productivity tool. Then I developed a CAPM application. So here automatically it includes the destination to export it to SAP build. Now we will see how to find and test the destination automatically created when you deployed your CAP service. So if you see here already I deployed the application. In case if you want to undeploy, we have to use, in case if any error will come after deploying your application, what you have to do is we have to undeploy then deploy. Undeploy, we have to use a command cf and deploy like this. I will show you. Yes, cf and deploy your application name item hyphen delete the services and service keywords also. So then it will delete all these things. Then again you need to do deploy. How to deploy is go to your task explorer and deploy it. This scenario will come when you when you use the productivity tools. So once it will be there, then go to your BTP. Now, if you see here within the instance and subscription, already once you deploy within the instance, you can see all the things. Connection, DB, logs. When if you want to see the application in HTML5, this thing will be enabled and destinations. So if you see here, the destination field will be there means then go to your destination section. Here you can see that. Let's expand. Yeah, here you can see the risk management app SRV. So this is your destination. This one we need to click on enable. Now if you see here, this is your client ID and client secret. So this and URL. So if you want to test this application in your Postman, we need to take this from here directly. What this URL will generate the service token. Now what you have to do is within the service already some fields will be there. Mainly we need to check HTML5 dynamic destination, this should be there, and web ID enable should be there, app enable should be there, and process automation enable. Here the process automation enable is not there, just add that new property. Yes, already it's there, I think. In case if it is, yes, this is the sap.process.automation.enable true. Next, sap.application development. Yes, it's not there. Let's add it. Based on your application, if you missed anything, add that properties here. Here, application development is missed. That's why I'm adding this. Development dot actions dot enable. So to perform your application actions also true. Oh, I think already it's there, then not required. Then click on save. So if you notice here, the authentication type is auth2 user token exchange. So which enables the service to know when the user is calling it. Most of the other settings for authentication comes from the service key. So now we need to give your user roles. For that, go to security. Within that, we have an option users. Here we need to assign your role collections. Navigate it, role collections, click on assign role collection. Here if you see risk management dot hyphen v, this role we need to add it. If it's not there, within the search bar you need to enter the risk, then we will see the roles are created for your services. So these roles I created in my BAS application. I will show you that. Yeah, here you can see risk viewer. So these roles I am assigning now. Now assign the roles. So now how to test the services? Go to your BAS. Here we need to write hyphen your port name, localhost, whatever port name will be there, right? Slash reload. Slash localhost dot whatever the host name will be there, that name we need to, just I'm giving here example, reload. Then if you click on enter, it will get you the service documentation of the service, whatever it is there. If you remove the roles of your user, immediately you will get the some error in case. If you see, the destination is reloading. Add this. Now here you will get the details of the destinations. If it's not there, we can use other command also, directly https slash risk management hyphen risk management service dot dest slash risk management. So what it will give is directly it will go to the destination reload and it will get that. So two ways we can use it. Now I will show you how to consume a CAP service in SAP Bill Labs. So by using this SAP Bill Labs, we can create an app that calls an CAP service via the destination, update data and manages the permission based on our BTP role collection. So the first what we will do is we'll export this project and import this project in our Bill Labs. How to export the project is just right click and here we have an option called download. So once it will be download, your app will be available in our local system. So already I downloaded that project. Just I will enable the configuration of our Bill Labs. To enable the configuration of Bill Labs, what we have to do is here go to your service marketplace and search for the Bill Labs. Yes, here it is there. Create. Free. If it is not there, go back to your BTP overview. There we have an option, the subscription, to install all the build apps and also build automation. All things will be enabled. Once you install that, here in your service marketplace you can see that. Now let's subscribe this. Here I'm unable to subscribe this. For me, I'm getting this issue, guys. Maybe it's not supporting. If I'll get it, I will proceed this further video. And please let me know next what type of playlist you want me to do on the CAPM things or CI/CD pipeline connectivity. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.